let's get started with this tutorial, guys. So you would require aluminium foil, glue stick to stick the aluminium foil, then super glue, or in this case hot glue gun would be the best option because I need to stick these two together, and because I want to create a better light. So I have 52 LED lights each in these, so I'm going to stick them together because I didn't find the 100 LED ones. And you need butter paper or wax paper. If you get the diffuser paper that they use for camera lighting, that would be the greatest thing. Duct tape, cardboard, so that you can cut out these pieces for the softbox. So these are the side pieces, the smaller area, and the other ones are the bigger portions. So I have created this fold so that it doesn't become a problem while getting all these bits together. And in the bigger areas I have created the fold the similar way, and I have created also these two small cuts, because one is for the charging point, the other is for the regulator, so that I can dim the light if I need to. So these are the chargeable LED devices, so that I don't need to worry about plugging this in all the time. The measurements to this will be down in the description. So first of all, I'm going to join these two together. Now I didn't have the hot glue gun, so I'm going to be using the Fevikwik. So I wanted to secure this, so I secured it with sellotape, and it worked really well for me. I didn't have to bother of it coming out. So I hope it works for you all. So now I'm going to check if everything fits properly, and then I'm going to go ahead and stick the aluminium foil onto these cardboard pieces, the inner portion of the cardboard area actually. So when we stick this aluminium foil, the light reflects better. So similarly, I have done all the portions, all the bits of this cardboard. I've stuck all the aluminium foil on it, and I am going to do the next step after this, which is putting them together and sticking them all together. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to just fit in the LED here, and I am going to secure this down with sellotape at the side, and then I'm going to put duct tape on the top so that the LEDs don't come out when I'm holding them up. Now our softbox is almost ready. The only last step that we have to do is put the diffuser paper or the wax paper, butter paper on top of this and tape it down. And look, we have our softbox ready. So this is a super cute softbox, and it's all done in a budget. So that's cool, right? So I hope you guys learned from this, and I hope you'll make this DIY softbox soon and let me know how it works for you all. So this is the kind of results I have achieved after making the softbox. This is the kind of light it throws, and it really works very well for me. So these are the lights I use to make my videos now. I hope you guys like this video and this tutorial, and you'll make your softbox really soon. So if you like this tutorial, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get more updates on the next DIY video I would be doing. Until then, bye bye!